Guys, here one more video I would be showing you to appreciate the contemporary control system, present day control system, and its position in the current era. The video is a autonomous self-parking system that is built in a car, and once we activate this system, the car all on its own takes control of rest of the things, like without any driver behind the steering wheels. The car itself goes in the parking house, uh, steers itself clear of any obstacles, and finds a parking lot and parks itself. All this is done on its own by the autonomous self-parking system of the car. So here the car comes at the parking house. The inbuilt autonomous parking system has to be activated. That has been done by the driver. And now he can communicate with the onboard autonomous parking system with the app in his phone, mobile phone, and he signals and activate the system to take control and go and park the car. So you can see here how smoothly it is steering the car from hitting any side walls or any obstacle or any object. It has to safely park the car without any accident causing any damage. It identifies a parking slot in the parking house all on its own with no help uh, from any driver. Now, when the meeting is over, the owner can again make use of the app and ask the autonomous parking system to get the car back to him at the entry point. Car comes back to him from the parking area and stops near to him. And from here onwards, the driver takes control of steering wheels. So imagine, friends, such a complex system that gives a kind of autonomy never earlier thought of. Friends, this is second of the example for appreciating the contemporary control system and its role in current era. This is a car from Audi, a high segment variant car of Audi. See the host of sensors that it comes with. The sensors play so many roles, right from acting as anti-thief sensors, where anyone if tries to break into the car, the system can quickly trigger a alarm and scare the intruder, unauthorized intrusion in the car, to the sensors which come for helping the driver to park the car, especially if the parking lot is not sufficient or big enough, thereby giving him ample back view in the computer, in the monitor that is placed in front of him, and allowing him to easily park the car. There are sensors that give constant feed uh, to the computer and to the GPS and radars. There are sensors which act as motion sensors, accelerometer. These sensors come in handy for the system to release airbags if there is no likely eventuality of a accident to take place, and timely release of airbags can protect driver and other passengers from getting any major injuries at the time of accident. There are sensors that alert passengers if they are not protecting themselves by wearing no seat belts properly. There are sensors which we know give no reading of oil and no water coolant temperature for the engine. So there are engine sensors, numerous sensors that are fitted no in engine as well. So you can see the today's car which come no in market is fitted with so many sensors, and each sensor communicates with a onboard computer in the car, and allows more and more features for the benefit of the passengers in the car to have them no more enjoyable experience. So you can appreciate the kind of systems which are now coming today inbuilt in the car, and this clearly tells us that the automobile sector has changed dramatically, where no more it is confined to mechanical engineers for designing a car, but have a greater role for electronics engineers, electrical engineers, control system design engineers to bring host of features, thereby giving them an edge in the today's competitive automobile sector. I hope you guys appreciate the role of contemporary control system in this case as well.